Born was started with the vision of creating a firm that is in the intersection of marketing and technology. We wanted to create an integrated creative content and commerce agency that could help brands in the connected world. So we are today the leaders in experience management and enterprise commerce. We have enabled over 450 brands in the digital and commerce ecosystem. The way Bond looks at providing services for a CSP is simple. We look at creating a foundation layer, which essentially acts as the digital platform for the future. The foundation layer then becomes the catalyst to onboard new channels for the CSPs. It could be a web channel, it could be a mobile channel, it could be subscription channels, it could be any new channels that a CSP looks for. So it's all about creating the foundation layer, taking it to the next step, which is the advanced layer, and then optimizing whatever you have done in foundation and advanced layer. Customer experience management, lifecycle management are very critical today for all brands and for all industries, fundamentally because it's all about the front meeting the back. Today, if you look at a retailer, the customer experience starts at the parking lot. If you look at a telecom provider, the customer experience does not start just with the products, but it moves beyond products. It goes to services. It goes to how do you do subscriptions. It goes to how do you onboard new channels. So according to us, it's not about a good front end. It's about tying all the legacy systems and all the investments that you have done that provides a beautiful customer experience and that enables brands to grow. Generally, the trends that we see in CSPs and telecom companies are commoditization of their products. I think the ARPU is reducing. The products are getting commoditized. The revenue is getting saturated. They are not able to acquire new companies and increase their revenue. Digital OTT players are increasing as we speak. So digital has become a hygiene factor for all telco companies. So it's all about combining the customer experience with the digital experience for telco players. That's the trend that we are seeing. And in the digital ecosystem, what we see is not just about combining customer experience with digital experience, it's also about offline to online. That's the same trend that we see with telco companies as well. It's about onboarding digital channels, but it's also about connecting the offline channels. So we call it offline to online. First, you create the foundation layer of online, and then you connect it to offline, which is called omni-channel, and that's the trend that we see with telco players and other digital ecosystem players. Why should people partner with Born? Born has built a iconic brand in terms of creating experience management and enterprise commerce service capability. We started off quite early in the game, about 9 years back, and we have done over 450 plus digital and commerce implementation. That has given us a lot of room to learn, unlearn, and leverage those learnings for new brands. So from our perspective, I think digital is all about giving rebirth to brands, and that's Born. It's not that as if you know everything from day one. You just need to continuously learn and relearn. And we believe that we are adequately poised to enable brands in the digital ecosystem.